What are the standard measurements for a swimming pool?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to talk about the standard measurements of swimming pools. Regardless of whether you are planning to build a new pool or just curious about pool sizes, understanding the standard dimensions can be extremely helpful. In this video, we will break down the standard lengths, widths, and depths for various types of pools. Let's dive in.
What are the standard lengths of swimming pools?
The length of a swimming pool greatly varies based on its purpose and type. Residential pools typically range from 20 to 40 feet in length. A short pool might be around 20 feet long, while a long backyard pool might be around 40 feet long. In contrast, for competitive swimming, the standard length is quite different. A short course pool, often found in high schools and colleges, is 25 yards in the US or 25 meters in many other countries. The long course pool, used for international and Olympic competitions, is 50 meters long.
What about pool widths?
Like pool lengths, pool widths can also greatly vary. For residential pools, widths typically range from 10 to 15 feet for smaller pools and up to 20 feet or more for larger pools. In competitive swimming, the standard lane width in a pool is 2.5 meters, about 8.2 feet, for international competitions. However, for non-international competitions, lane widths can vary.
How deep are swimming pools?
The depth of a swimming pool also varies based on its intended use. Residential pools typically have a shallow end and a deep end, with depths ranging from 3 feet to 8 feet. For competitive swimming, the depth can vary depending on the type of competition. However, FINA, International Swimming Federation, regulations require a minimum depth of 1.35 meters, about 4.4 feet, for pools used for international competitions. That's it. Now you have a general understanding of the standard measurements for swimming pools. As we discussed, these measurements can vary greatly based on the pool's intended use, whether it's for residential use or competitive swimming. As always, when building a new pool, it's crucial to consider the pool's purpose and consult with a professional to ensure it meets all standards and safety requirements. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.